guys, welcome back to the channel. I was just thinking to myself, it has been a super long time since I filmed a video, especially down here. We've had so much stuff going on. It's just been super busy. We've had some photography events and just a lot of stuff going on. But we've also just hit up a thrift store and an estate sale, actually 2 estate sales. So we want to show you some of the items that we found. Now, at these estate sales and thrift stores, they do not like us filming. Actually, the estate sales had signs up. It said no filming allowed. So we decided, hey, we're not going to film. We're not going to get in trouble. We want people to like us. We don't want people to hate us. So I'm going to show you some stuff that we found. But before that, if this is your first time here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button down below. Also, hit that like button and leave a comment too. Also, guys, we have a ton of stuff coming up. Some new stuff added to the channel that you actually might notice on this video. Take a look down below. We'll have a video coming out describing that in hopefully very soon. So with that being said, let's show you these items and see what I got. So a couple of the first things we've actually found these at the thrift store. I'm gonna grab them here. They are some clothes. I just dropped it. I just picked it up. But I picked up a Sidney Crosby jersey. This is a kid's jersey. Guys, if you follow the channel, we do well with kids jerseys. And we picked this up for $4. So it is a kid's size, large, extra large. No problem selling this. We may wait till hockey season, or I'll just list it now. We also picked up 3 Disney shirts at the thrift store, which we usually really do well with Disney stuff. This was a cool Disney polo, size 2XL. Nice, simple logo here. It's kind of a heavier weight polo. So we'll see how this one does. Sold comps on these look amazing, so I think I'll be happy. Before I get to the other Disney shirts, picked up a Ben Roethlisberger jersey t-shirt. We'll do pretty well with this. I'm figuring maybe at least 10 bucks on this one, and we picked it up for 99 cents. This next Disney shirt, I didn't even realize until I got home, but it is brand new with tags, $41.95. We paid $2.99 for this thing, and it is another Disney polo. Walt Disney World, Disneyland Resorts. Nice, cool logo there, along with this on the back. So super cool shirt, and it is brand new with tags. Don't expect this one to be around long. And last but not least, I had to check for Disney shirts. Disney shirt here. This is a pretty cool one. I'd say it's almost like an AOP, a little all-over print shirt. It is a size large, but look at this shirt. Nice and green with tons of Mickey heads on this thing. So super cool shirt, and we picked it up for 99 cents. I still have all of our stuff in our IKEA bag, and I've totally slacked on filming this video. And I'm probably gonna, I actually forget what is in this bag. It's been sitting over here on my table, and I'm like, I need to list that stuff. But before I do that, I need to show you guys what I found. So let's go in this bag and see what I actually have. Pretty cool hat here, guys. US Open 2009, Bethpage Black. Look at that, brand new with tags. We paid $3 for this thing. Super cool hat, and I think it should sell. I'm not sure how long, but pretty happy to find that. And I don't have to clean it. Save this shirt for next. We found this nice, I think it's kind of a vintage Duke University shirt. American Marketing Works. Can't wait to throw this in the wash with some OxyClean, make this thing really white. So really cool shirt. We picked this up in an estate sale for $1. Also found this in an estate sale. Actually, everything I'm about to show you we found in an estate sale. First few things were a thrift store. So found this cool Vineyard Vine shirt with the whale. Nice, cool shirt, and we picked it up for a grand total of $1. Okay, guys, I'm going in the bin here. Tons and tons of Tupperware. Tupperware here, Tupperware here, more Tupperware. I mean, look at all this Tupperware, and we paid probably 50 cents to $1 at a garage sale because I think there was a garage sale thrown in there too. So really cool stuff for really cheap. Nice butter dish here. She had $4 on there. She gave it to us for $1. This was a coffee tea set with the other one I just showed you. Kate Spade sunglass case, no sunglasses in it, but picked it up for 50 cents. Should sell for about 10 bucks. A couple more pieces of Tupperware. These are pretty nice right here. Can't wait to list these. Our Tupperware sells, we sell Tupperware all the time because we pick it up cheap. And people love old vintage Tupperware, so we don't have a problem keeping it. Now, the Tupperware doesn't sell for huge money where I can retire, but it does sell, and it's a consistent seller for us. Couple more little Tupperware cups or bowls, I guess. I'm not sure what these really are, but we picked up 4 of them, and yeah, I'll probably sell these as a lot or single once I look them up. Pretty cool Mickey here. This is from 1990. That's kind of like a glowworm. So we'll put batteries in it, see if it works, or just sell it. Yeah, we'll put batteries in it. Why not? It won't hurt. And we'll see if this thing works. We picked this up for $0.25. feel like I'm talking super fast and I'm not sure why. I really don't have anywhere to go right now. But I guess because I wanted to get through this one. But we picked up this hunting shirt. It's Paco Riestra Shooting and Hunting. It's like a shooting jacket. Really nice jacket. We paid $1 for it in a estate sale. No price on it, but it is a size XL. Don't see this one sticking around long. It is in really, really good shape. I'm still going to toss it in the wash, but really cool item. 3 more items, guys. Picked up some hats. USS Edson. Nice older hat. This is made in the USA. So really cool hat there. And we also got this one, which is also made in the USA. USS Gunston Hall. So we usually have pretty good luck selling military hats like this, or Navy hats. That's what they really are. So we usually have good luck selling this, and they're really clean. So I don't have to clean these ones either. And last but not least, I got this item for $5. It is a wine preserver, a Corvin wine preserver. Get it right there. Everything's in here for it. I expect to get at least $50 for this. Picked it up for $5 in a estate sale. So really, really good deals here, guys. And we expect to make a decent profit on some of this stuff. So hopefully you enjoyed that haul video from 2 estate sales, garage sale, and a thrift store. I wish I could get you guys footage from them, but it is just super, super hard to do that because nobody wants us to film. And I kind of get it sometimes, but hey, it happens. At least I can show you the stuff that we bought. It took me about 3 tries to say that. I'm not sure why. Hopefully we'll be getting some more yard sale videos out for you here soon. The weather here has just been complete trash. Rain, cold. Then I was sick. So it's kind of like I wasn't able to get to it. I missed a huge community yard sale also. But there's still summer. And summer just started basically. So I see a lot of opportunities coming up ahead. And a lot of fun stuff coming to the channel, guys. Please hit the subscribe button. You do not want to miss anything that's coming up. So until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.